Hello everyone, today I will be replacing the original CPU heatsink and fan in my old Asus desktop. The new CPU heatsink and fan are much larger than the original, but they were the ones that were recommended for the AM3 socket. So the desktop's side panel will need a little modification, but that's for a later video. First, we will remove the old fan and heatsink. Releasing the retaining clip. Removing the original heatsink with the processor still thermal paste to it. Next, we will be removing the mounting bracket for the AM3 socket. Next, we will be installing these little risers for the new mount. Once the risers are in place, we will set the processor back on the socket with the arrows aligned. And lock down the bar. It's a good idea if you plug the fan power supply back in before you put the CPU heatsink in place. Next, we will apply thermal paste to the center and on the corners for a little bit better coverage. Now that the bolts are in place, we will attach the fan. Now that the bolts are tightened down, heatsink and fan are in place, I think we're ready to power it up.